Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung S24 Ultra. On your Samsung S24 Ultra, if you've noticed your mobile signal is not that great, however, you have good Wi-Fi signal, then I would suggest enabling Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung S24 Ultra. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up the phone app. Next, you want to make sure you're on keypad. On the screen, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Wi-Fi calling. So this will use Wi-Fi to make calls and receive calls. So go ahead and turn this on. Now you want to go back, and now Wi-Fi calling has been enabled for your Samsung S24 Ultra. So there you go guys, that's how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung S24 Ultra.